Kempegowda International Airport is an international airport serving Bengaluru, the capital of Karnataka in the southern part of India. Spread over 4,000 acres. It is owned and operated by Bengaluru International Airport Limited, a public-private consortium. Kempegowda Airport is the third busiest airport by passenger traffic and total cargo handled in India, and is the 29th busiest airport in Asia. Earlier, the airport had a single passenger terminal, but now, under the second phase of the airport's expansion, a new terminal called Terminal 2 is being built. The new terminal has been designed by architectural firm Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, and is being built by Larsen and Toubro. The primary runway for the airport was constructed, rehabilitated by Mumbai-based AIC Infrastructure in a record shortest duration.
AICPL was entrusted to upgrade, rehabilitate the north runway, taxiway pavements and development of new facilities including associated aviation infrastructure. This would make Bangalore only to have an independent parallel runways in entire South India.
The new terminal will feature trees, small gardens and ponds with local species of plants.
Bengaluru International Airport Terminal 2 is one of the most prestigious projects in South India. We as a part of JSW Cement have supplied close to 1,14,000 metric tons of GGBS to this project, which is equivalent to saving 1,20,000 trees in the garden city of Bangalore.
The first challenge after the award of the contract was to set up an establishment, which include two batch mix plant, setting up precast yard, office, etc. in a short span of 45 days. Resources that include huge fleet of machineries. If I am not wrong, more than 600 people due to disruption in supply chain, different border guidelines by the state and the center, shortage of materials, cost had skyrocketed and it became very difficult to manage the cash flow for the project. But the ship sailed. The amount of rework had happened because of the monsoon was a big hit to the project on the timelines and overutilization of our resources.
It was indeed a great challenge to supply material to this prestigious project during the time of COVID, keeping in mind all the restrictions and the traffic restrictions in place, the safety of the people around. So what we had done was we had indeed put up a transshipment point near the city of Bangalore, which helped us in seamless supplies to Bengaluru International Airport Terminal 2.
The biggest achievement was to bring this different part of process to fit together, delivering before time with no compromise on safety and quality practices, and zero incidents during the entire project. I would say that is one of the biggest achievement.
The use of JSW's GGBS product resulted in an excellent project outcome.
The use of GGBS per se in major infrastructure projects also conserves limestone reserves in our country. For every cubic meter of concrete produced, the replacement value is right from 25% to 70%. So we ensure that huge reserves of limestone are conserved for the future generations to come. Way back in 2010, we started with a 0.3 million ton GGBS grinding unit in Vijayanagar, and we are very proud to say that today at 14 million tons, we are selling, with total production of 14 million tons in cement, we are selling close to about 4 million tons of GGBS throughout the country.
Lights have been erected throughout the 4-kilometer long midsection to improve the simplicity of airplane movement. After the runway is operational, Kempegowda International Airport is able to handle 60 to 75 lakhs passengers per year.
Working on airport projects is not easy. When such critical and sensitive time-bound projects are awarded to you, one feels a sense of responsibility towards the nation. And I always say that we are nation-building partners.